Throughout this series, I've been sharing simple tips and best practices for creating a positive work environment. So in this final segment, let's focus on how important employee recognition is. And let's start by stating that everyone likes to be recognized for doing something great. You see, some people like to be recognized in public, in the presence of their coworkers, while others like to be or prefer to be recognized in private, one-on-one. So the question is, when was the last time that you recognized a coworker inside or outside of your department for doing something that helped you get your job done quicker, more efficiently, or that helped you take care of a customer? Well, if you haven't done anything recently, within the next 24 hours, make it a priority to recognize a coworker for doing something great. You see, when we recognize one another, it provides positive reinforcement for a job well done and demonstrates that we value each other's help in a time of need. And most of all, when our hard work is acknowledged, we naturally feel valued and more eager to do what? More. So in closing, make it a commitment that you will regularly express your appreciation for the simple things that others do by going the extra mile to create a positive work environment.